Hi guys, you don't know it's your girl Alicia Amor in the cut. You know how we do, you know how we flip it, you know how we get down on this channel. Guys, this is gonna be a really quick vlog, I can tell you right away. I'm staying at an Airbnb for a couple of days. You know, I got this Airbnb because I just wanted to have access to the pool. I don't have a pool, and so sometimes I do that. I get an Airbnb because I just want to have access to a pool and do pool chills and stuff like that. I did not vlog these last couple of days. I'm currently in the Airbnb, but then I'm sitting here and I'm like, oh my god, I had such a crazy couple of days and I did not vlog for you guys. Sometimes that happens. So you guys know I like to give you Airbnb recommendations, and I just figured, all right, before I check out of this Airbnb, I need to give you guys an Airbnb recommendation, as I always do. This Airbnb is in Kingston. It's really cute, guys. I'm not gonna lie, it's really small and it's really cute because it wasn't a large group of people. I really just got it for me, and then my friend came in from my friend was here for a few days as well. She doesn't live in Jamaica, and then she just decided to come and stay with me. So so we had a really good few days, but honestly guys, I really didn't vlog much of anything. I didn't vlog anything at all, to be quite honest with you. So I just decided that I was gonna go ahead before I check out and give you guys a rundown of what this Airbnb is looking like, because you guys are always asking me. So one thing I did do when I got here is I did do like a brief overview of what the Airbnb looks like. As you guys can see, you know, I've already used the Airbnb, so nothing is in place, nothing is in order. So you guys, I'm going to just go ahead and add like that overview that I did when I just got here into the vlogs. Yeah, right now this is what it's looking like currently. I'm a pretty clean girl, so you're not really gonna see much things all over the place. This is actually a 1 bedroom studio unit. It has a bathroom, as you guys can see, clear glass shower, really big mirror right there. Don't mind the things in the background. You know, it comes with a really cute refrigerator. Nothing is in it, but you know, one of those double door refrigerators with the, in case you're into staying for a long time and you want to get food. Deep sink. I didn't give these details, so I just showed deep sink, a little toaster, a little warmer, stove. These are the amenities, and then of course like microwave, and of course like these beautiful covers. Beautiful covers. It has this really cute lighting, and then of course it has this island right here that also has like a lot of drawer space. It's a really small apartment, guys, but it's really cute. Then you get into the living area, which is destroyed at this point. It's a nice wraparound couch. You got Wi-Fi, and then of course you have a large TV over there. I love the accent wall, it's really cute. I'm working, so that's my system right there, because we gotta work. Yeah, and this is the bedroom. It's actually 1 bedroom, guys. The bed is a mess. The bed is a mess, because like, so it comes with this bed, 2 little cute lampshades over there. It also has this chest of drawers, which also has a TV, and then of course a mirror back there. And then it has these really large windows. I'm gonna just open them up so you can see. Ha 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 ha. Ha 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 ha. Really large windows, so you can get like great lighting if you're a vlogger like me. Actually, this is a pretty high building, guys. Pretty high building. But guess what? This listing is actually on the first floor, which is pretty cool. But I wanted to get one that was on the high rise because I love a good view. But that wasn't available, so I ended up getting one that's on the first floor, which is still pretty cool because it's not like we're on the ground floor. It also has like a nice little balcony. I'm gonna show you guys. Has like great sliding doors, so you can see I'm not like literally on the ground floor. I'm still like a floor up. Nice seating area outside here. Yeah, nice little seating area. Really cute, right? Really cute. Really cute. See? So you can come and sit outside, and if you had like a higher view, it would be really cute. Last little cute detail, it has these like stools here too, so you know you can sit there, have some meals and stuff. I'm gonna finish working, but I just wanted to show you guys like this cute little, you know, place in case you guys are interested in it. All right, so now that you guys have seen what this cute little B&B looks like, you guys can check the link in the description box below if you are interested in booking. Now, the only downside about this Airbnb compared to other Airbnbs that I've been to, I don't think the hospitality was the best experience, but it's basically like you check in, they don't care. You know, if you have questions though, you reach out and they definitely do respond on time. I'll give them that. The other issues I had was that they don't leave cleaning supplies and stuff like that. They just give you an entire apartment. You definitely have to take every single thing that you would need for your experience, but that's the only down part. Apart from that, it's a very cool space, clean, crisp. It's exactly like it looks online, or exactly as it was described online, so I have no issues with that at all. Yeah, so I'm gonna leave you a few clips of what my weekend was like. I went to Ocho Rios. You guys, as I said, I don't go beach in Kingston or St. Catherine, whatever I want. I can't go to a beach there. Kingston, I'm not do beach in a town. So I went out of town just for the beach. Just a chill day. Oh, and I did also do the kayaking thing where you take like the pictures and videos in the clear kayak. I did that. It was a fun experience. The rest of this video will probably just include bits and pieces of what I did for my weekend. I know you guys missed me. Make sure you leave a comment. Tell me what you think about the Airbnb. Yeah, let me know if you guys want to see me do more of these Airbnb recommendation videos. Don't forget to leave a like, comment, and definitely subscribe. Also guys, I have new music out on my channel. Remember, me an artist first before all of this. So if you guys have not subscribed to my Vivo channel, please go over to my Vivo channel right now, Alicia Amor Vivo. Go over to my Spotify, follow me on Spotify, follow my Apple Music or iTunes, whatever that is. Wherever you listen to music, just type in my name and you will definitely see me come up, and you'll definitely see my playlist. Currently I have a new song that is out. It's called Join Up, yes, with D Master and Balaguer from Colombia. So you guys can go ahead and stream that one right now. Go listen to Join Up right now, guys. You're still watching? Thank you. But why you don't subscribe yet? Click that red button below right now. Subscribe to the channel, man. Big up yourself. Thank you. Okay. So I know right now I'm looking at hotness. But yeah, I did a few of the things that I had on my list to do today. One of those was going to the bank. I got a bank. As usual, you know, processes with the bank are way more technical in Jamaica than we would want it to be. So I didn't get through with everything, but you know, I'm on my way to, you know, fulfilling all of those things that I need to do. I came to the phone store to pick up a phone. I never really get to show you guys much of that. I also went to the machine to get some cash because I needed that as well. And I'm currently waiting on Damien to come and pick me up because we have 2 more things to do. I'm going to the credit union because I had some business to get done there as well. And I have this place that I'm going to look at. So those 2 things are the next 2 things that I have to get done. I'm not tell you like guys, I'm gonna eat on from morning. Have I? No. I'ma never have the money, you know. I'm looking at my purse, I'm gonna say $150, and I stopped at that guy because I was just like, alright, let me just get something to drink until I have the time to get some cash or stop somewhere and use my card and buy some food. Can I tell you how the man shame me? I take out my 150 here, me know anything with this, give me anything with this can buy. I just don't want a soda with my bright self. The man look at me and tell me say everything in I'm igloo for $200 up. So if I have $200 up, I can't get nothing, not even no water. Can you imagine? I'm gonna pull up my 150 and open the man igloo and start to put the man things them in my love. Here man not even want like a bigger soda, if you know anything I want, I go cost me over $200. Say you owe me after that. I put those pull up my little 150, put it in my bag and make him know say alright, next time when time I pass back, I'ma check you. So machine when I go at the machine I'ma draw the little money never but I stuff and buy one from him. I love you. Just one of them things. But anyway, pick up Joey by the way and Bargain Mall in same angle we're supposed to angle. Someone's supposed to give a shout out, so I'm just gonna shout him out because of course I'm going with himself, young entrepreneur and doing thing. You guys want to get your phones repaired, your screens changed out, and even get affordable deals on like phones, you know, iPhone, Samsung, whatever. Just follow the page on IG and you can learn more about the services that they offer and things. I just check in with you. I got check in back with you shortly. I'm hungry bad. I'm a wish up here did have somewhere where I could get something to eat. They used to have like restaurants up here, but because I'm a long time and I find myself I sit down in a damn place and I'm a long time. So apparently the restaurants are no longer here. It's just straight stores, shoe stores, clothes stores. As I can see, I go show no. Yeah, so I'm just killing time, and then when I leave here, I think my next stop is going to be getting some food for sure, and then go on my way to the credit union. So I'll check back in with you guys. Sit down. How are you doing today? Welcome to Amor's podcast. Oh my god, you want something to drink? I have some wine, crime, NSC, Casamiga. How you like it?
So how was it you feeling?
I like it. It's a deal. I think it is a steal. Guess what we got? We got packages. I shouldn't have these on my bed. I really shouldn't have these on my bed. Yeah, so we got packages, guys. I am not gonna waste no time. I'm just gonna get into opening these real quick. Got 3 sets of laundry. Yeah, it came as a pack. They're really nice and the quality nice. I'm trying them on. I got this like brunch pants. It's like a Bigfoot pants. And then this is very common on Shein. So joggers with the high maintenance top to go with it. I don't really love the top, but I wear it still. I got one of these big pants. This one I'm gonna show you the shoes. I got this bag, real cute. Really cute. What else? I got this fan thing that I was telling you about. It won't charge though. Yeah. Alright guys, we're back again. Hello. We're back again with another video. Guys, I know I have a mad hairstyle today. Mad as in it look crazy. Not crazy good, but crazy horrible. But anyway, you don't know. We do what we do and we have to be creative. So today, we're up on the scene. So we're trying to get some content. So yeah, I guess by the time when I put a video, the content then probably out and seen. I cool down myself because I feel really hot. Place really hot. The beer up there, so. The beer up there, so. You see him? He might help me with the content then today. A beer. Sorry. Yeah. So the beer up there, so. I might catch some shots. Isn't it? And then we look from this. I go start the motion. And then if you can't see my outfit, but I'm nothing nice and I do some crazy thing where I do content, because you don't know the content is key. Yeah. So I can just go and stick it out, stay tuned, rock with me. Why to all long, I no vlog. I never know for all the vlog camera them again. My finger them just catch up in the thing, but yeah, I not like the wig is so crazy. The wig is crazy, man, but we out here, don't know everything can cute all the time. It's a retro vibe, so we are give them retro style, you know. Alright, make sure someone tune in. If you don't subscribe, make sure someone subscribe. Make sure someone subscribe to my music platform them. Alicia Amor Vivo. Remember, you know, guys, I have a Vivo channel different from my vlog channel. So I'm go check out my Vivo channel. The link always in the bio. Make sure you check out my Spotify, my iTunes. If I'm gonna type in my name for any music platform, and I got hear my music then. I'm gonna just do the right thing, alright? Yeah, so see Bday there again. You know him ever there on the wheels. But I'm a G, you know. When you see me, you see him more while. Alright, you ready? It's not really a rain like that still. Yeah, so guys, I'm gonna just go and stay tuned. Stick and stay. Yeah, I'm supposed to have it. And then I just, you know, we did need a little bit more things for add up to the vlog, you know. So I eat this one again. Yeah, make sure you subscribe and do the right? I know I'm not consistent right now, so nobody beat me. Sometimes I have 1 month before I get a video, but we are working on it. We have 2 hands and 2 foot and we can do so many things. But we are level down because we want to get the thing the right way. So make sure you subscribe. You hear that?
Yeah, and drop some comment and make me feel good and yeah, tell me what you think and tell me what you feel. Rave. Alright, I never boo. Bye.
You still watching? Thank you. But why you don't subscribe yet? Click that red button below right now. Subscribe to the channel, man. Big up yourself. Thank you.
Running up. We're there. We get some content so far. The bear going with himself. Hey, I'm telling you this. Big up King Donia, wire them if you call her dance, you know. I love when you wire them on TikTok. Me don't know what him name it, but me call it wire them. Bad dance. Anyway, yeah, we're there go and put in the work and thing. Just a go on a quick view, because I don't know when the thing come out, you don't need to go up on the social media and make a review. Yeah, pretty badness, we say. Outside with the beers, and you don't know where I put in the work because shit. You should have this a play, you know, because you don't know the copyright thing already. But, as me say, we just go on a quick view, but you can't see everything because I want to log on the social media them and drop a review. By that, you know what I mean, because some people say, you know, leave a comment. And if you still watch the video right now, make sure say, subscribe. We just keep in tune with what's going on. And you know you can't see everything. You don't want to share me? You don't want to see me outside? You don't want to see me with the big Benz with the 17s? Eh? You don't want to see me? You don't go on, man. I just want to keep me to myself. I don't like that. Share me to the world, man. Sure, outside with me. Sure. Anyway, I'm going to go and stick and stay. Tell them from most of man a superstar, really have surprise. You don't know what out here. I would say we have to do some content for the social media. Yeah, make sure someone go listen to me Insta, you know, add it to the playlist and go out with yourself, you know. Wine in a gine up, use a bad wine and time up, a tight pum pum time, girl. Yeah, see the body they climb up in a me room with a rumba special. I grade a place so no live session. Pum pum clean up for wash it with detal. My man say smell fresh like rose petal. My want you take on, my body will act like Satan. And like some my body don't make on. Watch how my waistline a spin like record. This a go hit hard, yeah. Balagera, the master, you know, a good tune and a bad tune. I want to listen to it. So guys, I am going out tonight and I'm gonna turn on my girl. Come on, with me, watch her, you know. Always petite, all on little bit. All on little bit petite. So guys, tonight I'm going to Ding Dong's party and I just wanted to show you guys my outfit. And the reason why I'm showing it before I put it on is because me have a tendency when I get ready, me and I will pass stress. So me will forget for vlog and I want to vlog. So tonight's outfit is a cute little skirt set from H&M. And honestly guys, this skirt was way longer. The reason why right here so looks so thick is because honestly the reason why this part looks so thick, which it doesn't look like that when I put it on, is really because I took it up. Like when I cut it in, I want to cut it, but I actually just fold it under so it can look cute. It's a cute little tweed skirt, and this is the jacket that it comes with. Cute. Just hope I'm gonna feel too hot, but it's gonna be opened up, so yeah, I'm not too worried about that. So yeah, this is the vibe. My cute little tweed jacket and cute little tweed skirt. You know, a Ding Dong party, and it's all about the fashion, so we have to go out, we have to come out nice and cute, nice and girly. Yeah, so I'm not really sure how the bag and the shoes are gonna go yet, but we're not gonna see it when it come down. But just want to make sure someone do this. That part is alright. So yeah, alright. So we're gonna sooner or later. Period. Outside tonight. Ding dong.
go. If the party early, I make them chicken up. Now I enjoy myself. No chick. You know the streets, everybody with there, all our family and everybody with there. So say big up yourself. 300,000 spent already. Good grab, how man. Here we now. Boom boom, fire yourself. One big brother. You ready for DJ tonight? I know, but I fight for you. Yeah, car. Boom boom, look at that. Yeah. People are in there again. People are in there again. Good thing that. The good thing that. Hey, the good thing that. Hey, no. I don't know everybody on there really watching for that. Don't have power like that, come on. No, I know what you're going to say. I'm going to say that. You know what you're going to say? Yes, I don't know what I'm going to do. You know what I'm saying? That's in the rain now fall to the morning. Umbo, I'm ready for DJ. No, but we have to make the people know, say there. They're not there. That's why sister rock and the sister she there. Yes, your sister there. I know. Yes, she there. Jesus. Shein in the building, and there's some of the pop my car, shut my brother. Brother, come on over here, son. See? Alright, Bumbo, watch out now. Bumbo, any of your boss to call with the next song, and get one big 35 and you 100 US dollar right now. Let me see. Let me see, Bumbo. But I really have to make it. Let me see. Frankfurt, fresh. Let me see. Bumbo, better go the money. And then you get one big old 35. Maybe an 100 US. Watch this. Boom, boom, you can't take so long to find the song, you know. And I really like, yeah. We just have a talk. I'm a talk from the heart now. We come from a place named Grandspent Avenue. That grow amongst artless killer. We not really love. Just living at the inner city garrison. You have to know how to live in the inner city garrison. We have no concern. We leave it alone. All of the man, the woman, they want to line my farm. About some million black in my blood clot here. No! When you see me on this house, when you see me you don't get food. Come on, everybody that come hear me and respond accordingly. I'm gonna do it now, fuck nobody say, oi! I'm gonna do it now, fuck nobody say, oi! Listen, all of the mother knows you remember where you come from. Look up in that sky and say,
You still watching? Thank you. But why you don't subscribe yet? Click that red button below right now. Subscribe to the channel, man. Big up yourself. Thank you.
Alright guys, we're from the big field. You know what I do?
Right about now, turn on the music. Right about now, guys, we look on the big field, on the midfield. Here we are watching the football. Video the grounds. Yeah, so on the outside we be today. Match. I don't know what have the fun because the place is hot. You know, Waterford and Tarrant today, Waterford I and Tarrant I. They have them little match on the field. So we just out here check it out and I see what go on. I don't think nobody score yet. Nobody not score yet. Nobody not score. So right now it's 0-0. So if any action go on, we're not going to there to see it down. Alright, come with me to close that up here. Somebody remember saying? Yeah, check in. Yeah guys, so we check in back with you, alright? Remember so we're on the big field, I watch the match. Waterford and Tarrant Eye. Some action, do some action for the bad bro.
Hopefully now, bro. Power grounds, though. Our ground, though.
You're supposed to sit up! Hey, sit down. No. You're supposed to sit up!
Get the flag, brother.
Get the flag, man!
Guys, the game I get active now. People are dropped down and don't know the sport is about. The pain.
You're supposed to sit up!
miss it, you know. I miss the goal. Sarah just scored a goal a while ago. Guys, I don't know. Oh, I'm gonna catch a goal for you, you know. Goal, I'm gonna catch none goal.
You still watching? Thank you. But why you don't subscribe yet? Click that red button below right now. Subscribe to the channel, man. Big up yourself. Thank you.